Meanwhile, as we continue to track Ian's path, our area will likely experience some of Hurricane Ian's heavy wind and rain, and people have been busy preparing. Our WPTV's Joe Lopez is in Hobe Sound with what's in place there, the measures in place to prevent major flooding.
Right now, I'm in the Hobe Heights neighborhood, which has a history of flooding, but take a look at this. The county has put these pumps throughout Martin County in problem areas that are known to have major flooding. Some residents of the Hobe Heights neighborhood are no strangers to strong storms.
I've been through three hurricanes here and a couple of tropical storms. I've been here 20 years.
People like Glenn Hertzig says he's been tracking the tropics and has stocked up on water and gas for his generator.
I've been here without power for 2 weeks after the storm. So living on a generator and a well, that's kind of tough.
In the front of his house right now, the streets are pretty dry, but 2 years ago, major flooding put his and his neighbors' homes at risk.
It was just a huge lake. It went out, it covered the street, went all the way over the road. It just had another 4 or 5 inches to go, and it would have been up close to coming in the house.
Neighbor Joe Phillips says Martin County tore down homes to create retention ponds and installed pumps to help with flooding. But his concern is that they haven't been put to the test of a major hurricane.
We're 20 feet above sea level. I was never worried about flooding. But, you know, that's not the way it turned out.
Martin County officials also tell me they do have 4 high water emergency vehicles on standby in the event there's any major flooding emergency. In Hobe Sound, Joe Lopez, WPTV, News Channel 5.